Welcome to 50 Annapolis Way, where you will find 4 nice-sized bedrooms in this brick home with laminated flooring in the foyer and great room. Enjoy a formal dining room in this split-bedroom floor plan. The bonus room is the 4th bedroom or home office. The great room and master bedroom both have tray ceilings. The kitchen has ceramic tile flooring, stainless appliances with refrigerator, stove and dishwasher, cabinets with hidden hinges, and a pantry. The master bedroom has a tray ceiling and a deluxe bath with dual sinks, a walk-in shower, jacuzzi tub, toilet room, and 2 walk-in closets. Home has a laundry room, a new HVAC installed in May 2019, and an independent unit for the bonus room added in 2020. The backyard is fenced and has a patio for entertaining and BBQs. This home also has a 2-car garage and is in a cul-de-sac and convenient to Sumter, Shaw, restaurants and more. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer greets you upon entering the front door of this lovely home. It has hardwood floors, a coat closet, and measures 7.5 inches by 4.6 inches. The dining room has carpet, a large arch window, and measures 11 inches by 10.3 inches. The great room has a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, laminate floors, and measures 10 inches by 12.5 inches. The kitchen has an eat-in area that measures 1 inch by 8.2 inches, and has ceramic tile floors. The kitchen has ceramic tile flooring, stainless appliances with refrigerator, stove and dishwasher, cabinets with hidden hinges, a pantry, and measures 11 inches by 10.3 inches. The kitchen has ceramic tile flooring, stainless appliances with refrigerator, stove and dishwasher, cabinets with hidden hinges, a pantry, and measures 11 inches by 10.3 inches. The kitchen has ceramic tile flooring, stainless appliances with refrigerator, stove and dishwasher, cabinets with hidden hinges, a pantry, and measures 11 inches by 10.3 inches. The mud area has ceramic tile flooring, measures 7 inches by 3.9 inches, and leads to the 2-car garage, laundry room, bonus or 4th bedroom, and the master bedroom. The master bedroom is located off the mud hall. It has a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, carpet, a private master bath, and measures 1 inch by 14. This deluxe bath has vinyl flooring, dual sinks, a walk-in shower, a jacuzzi tub, a toilet room, 2 walk-in closets, and measures 12 by 9 inches. The laundry room has vinyl floors, a washer and dryer hookup, cabinets, and measures 6 by 5.7 inches. The guest hall is located off the great room. Bedroom 2 has carpet, a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 13 by 11. The guest bath has vinyl floors and measures 7.6 inches by 4.11 inches. Bedroom 3 has carpet, a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 13.6 inches by 11.